Hi, so right now I'm going to react to BTOB's new music video, and I'm pretty sure by now everyone's already seen it because I've kind of been procrastinating a little bit. And well, everyone I know has already seen it. My friends have seen it, my sister has seen it. They all said it was good, they all liked it, so I'm really hoping I like it too because I really love BTOB, and well, really excited about it, so I'm just gonna play it out. Okay. Okay. Oh, Sunday. Oh, his hair. She's glad. Oh, cute. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, his hair. Oh gosh. England, right? Oh my god. Yes, her hair. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. The heck? Oh, cute. I like that yellow car. Whoa. The ladies. Oh my god. Oh, huge. Oh. Oh my god. Suits though. I want to party with BTOB. Oh, the little cars. Oh. Oh, little cars. Oh my god. I really want one of those. Do I get parking tickets? Oh, it's over. Oh. But so, okay. I really liked that. I really liked it. I really liked the song. The music video was good. I thought it was good. I really liked the song. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I really like this comeback. I don't know if it's better than Thriller, because Thriller was my favorite comeback so far. I'll probably have to listen to the song more. I'll probably like it more and more I listen to it. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I really like the dance, and that yellow car was really pretty. And yeah, can't wait to hear the whole album. I hope they're coming out with an album. Alright, so I'll end it here. Bye!